What should I do while I'm waiting for an emergency plumber to show up? If you are currently facing a sudden plumbing crisis, taking immediate action can save your home from thousands of dollars in damage. Today, we will answer exactly what steps to take. How do I stop the water from flowing? You stop the water from flowing by immediately shutting off the main water valve to your home, which is typically located near the street water meter or on an exterior wall. Should I turn off the electricity during a plumbing emergency? Yes, you should turn off the electricity at your main breaker panel if water is pooling near electrical outlets, baseboard heaters, or major appliances to prevent severe shocks. How do I protect my belongings from water damage? You protect your belongings by quickly moving lightweight furniture, rugs, electronics, and valuable items out of the flooded area, or placing aluminum foil under heavy furniture legs. Should I clean up standing water while waiting? Yes, you should clean up standing water using towels, blankets, mops, or a wet-dry vacuum to prevent structural wood warping and stop mold from developing. Is it safe to use other plumbing fixtures during an emergency? No, it is generally not safe to use other fixtures if you have a main sewer backup, as any extra wastewater will quickly overflow directly into the flooded area. What should I do if my water heater is leaking? If your water heater is leaking, shut off its dedicated cold water supply valve immediately and turn off the power at the breaker panel or switch the gas dial to pilot. Should I use chemical drain cleaners during an emergency? No, you should never use chemical drain cleaners, as they will not clear a major emergency blockage and create a severe chemical burn hazard for the arriving plumber. How can I prepare the area for the plumber? You can prepare the area by clearing a wide, unobstructed path to the broken pipe or fixture, removing clutter and furniture so the technician can begin repairs instantly. What information should I gather for the plumber? You should note exactly when the leak or backup started, which specific fixtures are affected, and where your main sewer cleanouts are located to help the plumber diagnose the issue faster. Minimize your property damage and stay calm while help is on the way. For fast, reliable emergency plumbing services in San Diego, contact the professionals at Black Mountain Plumbing. Call us today at 858-536-4161.